Yeah, that's our senior. Hold on. Hi. What's up, Shamsia?
What's up?
I'm fine. Yeah, I mean, this is a complete coincidence because I first meet Parab and then now we meet you. And it's crazy. How you been?
I'm fine. How are you?
Like you see with the long hair, the fringed coat, I mean, you pretty much know how it is. And I'm pretty much cruised out in cold.
What's going on? क्या चल रहा है?
As usual.
पहले तो आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
बस ऐसे ही वीकेंड था तो सोचा
So while we're waiting for the food,
While we're waiting for the food.
Yeah.
What's going on? What have you been up to?
I'm just working towards my project. So it's art related thing.
Okay.
I'm painting and selling stuff.
Alright.
Painting and arts. So into fine arts.
Yeah.
So you're painting on like canvas or you're painting on any other kind of material?
I started painting on bottles as well
Acha.
as wood pieces,
Alright.
but then I gradually shifted towards canvas art.
Oh, nice.
Because I found it very much fascinating where I can experiment things.
Okay.
So yeah, it's all about canvas art.
Nice.
So experimenting like the mad scientist with all the hair out and just doing stuff like that? Or?
No.
Your whole room must be covered in paint right now. Yes.
Yeah, but I managed to sell them, so
Oh.
now it's like free.
That's it.
Touch wood. So how was the response from the customers? Just putting it out there.
Okay.
Yes.
So in the beginning, I had difficulties because I approached few people to market my artwork. So there I found little some issues. But then I'm just marketing via my own page, that is on Instagram and as well as my website.
So do like, share and subscribe.
Yeah. How many social media platforms are you available on?
As of now, it's only Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to get on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Because
LinkedIn.
Yeah. I mean, anything, let us know if we can do anything to
Exactly.
spread the word. Yeah.
Sure.
The more, the better.
More the merrier. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Um, yeah. So first things first, how's life been post graduation?
Post graduation, like you all are aware that like offline classes shifted
Yeah.
to online classes.
Yeah.
And then at the same time, I got some time to just experiment these things. So I just started with my small venture that is,
Right.
and I named it as Vertical.
You're lucky enough because it's right in the peak of the quarantine and the lockdown. So you were fortunate enough to get going with this. We unfortunately have 2 more semesters.
Two more.
Yeah. But how have you been? Other than that, how have you been killing time at home?
I'm learning online and
Yeah.
I'm getting trained under French artist.
Nice.
French artist.
What's the artist? Who's the artist?
His name is John Beckley.
Okay.
I'm learning.
Yeah. Okay. That's awesome.
So how's your French brother?
How's
How's
your
your
French?
French brother? Not good.
Not good.
Hey, you're supposed to be joining us in Paris.
Paris, exactly.
Hopefully.
Maybe next year.
Yeah, maybe next year. No, we need to learn a little bit of French.
We have to.
We.
Yeah. But that's the best friends that I could ever come up with is we.
We.
And then I think what else is there? Madame.
Madame, bonjour.
Bonjour. Yeah, I think that's the.
What else did we learn? Je suis ambiant.
Yeah.
That's basically it.
Just be anglais, I guess.
Je parle anglais.
Je parle anglais.
Je parle anglais. Yeah, no, but have you been keeping in touch with your classmates?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What have they been up to? What's going on?
Yeah, they are busy with their own stuff and all those. Yeah, and some of them are working.
Okay. Right.
So, just putting it out there. I mean, we both know that. I mean, all three of us know that it's the pandemic going on right now. And so, I mean, how do you think the pandemic has affected? I mean, I know it wouldn't have affected that much because we pretty much started it during the pandemic, and it's very new to certain people because we do know there's a lot of businesses crashing down. But you stand out because you started during the pandemic. So yeah. So how do you think the pandemic has been a help to you, or how it's been a challenge to you? So
Okay, so as you rightly said, on a positive note, it's just that I got some time to think what I should be doing. And then, challenges are I had difficulty to procure materials. That was a challenge because during lockdown I couldn't go out.
Yeah.
So that was a challenge. But then it gave me enough time to think, to plan out things and act accordingly.
Right.
Yeah, but nowhere it has affected me
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. Like, financially or logistically, is that a challenge because you just started on?
Yeah, I'm just not limiting myself to paintings.
Right.
I also want to sell art supplies.
Speaking about Steve Jobs, so who do you think has been a big role model for you when stepping out into entrepreneurship? I mean, which entrepreneur or which businessman or businesswoman has been a huge role model for you, and why do you think that person is a role model to you?
Um, every entrepreneur has their own journey, ups and downs.
True.
But I have just met one person. He's Bhavesh Agarwal from Ola. So I met him personally. So yeah, I see that person as a role model for this.
Right.
This
And what for regarding your art, is there someone you look up to or something?
Yeah, regarding art, it is Miriam Mazari. She's an artist and UN ambassador.
Yeah.
Um, she says, you find opportunities in adversity. So I just follow her for this
Nice.
words as well as for our art.
I mean, that's true. I mean, you've actually followed yourself through an adversity in pandemic, and
Yeah.
it's grown up. You've had vertices.
So
I
true,
mean,
it grows.
yeah, exactly. And one question, like, how is the word vertical important? I mean, what led you to
Yeah,
that?
what I was just going to ask, what is the meaning
Of
of
vertices?
So,
Behind
vertisan word, like, ver means glass, and the sun has been taken from the word artisan.
Okay.
So that has been combined and formed to a word called as vertisan.
Right.
And it's a French word,
Okay.
ver as well as glass,
Yeah.
a French word. And as I started doing with glass products, so that's why I named it as vertisan,
Acha.
because you always remember where you come from.
Right.
Humble beginnings, people, humble beginnings.
And
Remember from where you
also,
come.
I've named it as vertisan by Shamsia. So V and S have been combined to form, and it looks like W, that is like women,
Right.
and it shows by women.
So this
Yeah.
is women empowerment.
Once again, guys, follow on Instagram. We're going to keep plugging it in there.
Marketing.
Yes.
We're in for it.
Yeah. That's what we've been taught. Just keep plugging it in there.
MDESG, marketing.
Hold back. Yeah. Anything else you want to add?
It's nice actually.
Uh,
So how else is things been going on apart from the entire pandemic?
Just I'm working towards my goal. Like there are certain things that I want to achieve. So
yeah. I'm going to ask the most asked question in every MBA college. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
okay, next 5 years, I think you will see me as a successful entrepreneur in art and literature. Most importantly, I would like people to remember me as an artist.
Right.
As an artist meaning a painter or an
Painter.
artist? Painter.
Painter. Okay. So hopefully we might see one of Shamsia's paintings at the Louvre in Paris.
Right next to Mona Lisa. We have
Yeah.
a huge 4x4 inch bulletproof glass with her painting in it, and it'll be like, don't touch. By Shamsia.
Yeah.
It'll be crazy. I mean, it'll be amazing to see.
Priceless. Priceless.
No value.
No value. It's highly valuable. But it has no value.
Never know.
But it's something that we all crave for. I mean,
Yeah, for sure.
yeah, I mean, in 10 years, I'm pretty sure he would be somewhere in the field playing out like Dhoni. So yeah, so this is
Selectors, please.
Yeah, I know.
Please.
So that's a huge thing. I
yeah,
mean,
it just doesn't know where life leads to, but it's always good to be.
10 years Kohli will get retired.
there will be
Yeah.
his replacement.
He's, by the way, congratulations to Anushka Sharma and Virat. They're having a child. Yeah.
That's true. We support you. I mean, we do actually.
Yeah. Ma'am, I love you.
that's a different matter, man. By the way.
Yeah.
That's not what we do.
Yeah, edit हो जाएगा. So what else? Oh, we are going to be having we're going to be meeting our juniors soon. So, do you have any words of advice for us or for them?
Words of advice. Okay. If you want to get something, I think you should start it somewhere. So
Right.
Just start it, no matter what the
Yes.
result is. Just start it.
Okay.
So like Nike, just do it.
Yeah.
Just
Just do it.
Just do
Yeah. And for our juniors, I mean, we've not yet met them, we've not yet interacted with them, but we should be soon. Hopefully, I think we might have an interaction session soon. So, what can we like when you were introducing yourself to us? What should we do when we're meeting them for the first time?
Now, anyways, you have to sort it out online.
Yeah, that's the worst thing. I mean, yeah, unfortunately we can't meet them physically, but
Virtual prank maybe.
Oh, we could try that.
we could try that.
We could try that.
Someone in the house, guys.
Yeah. We should do the scream thing. Like, what's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should try that.
We should do something. We'll figure something out.
Yeah, so juniors are coming on to you, okay? So just keep that as a whole.
Yeah. One bakra will fight.
What? Meh, black sheep. Like how Rajini says, no? Bah, black sheep.
Oh yeah, have you been in touch with our professors?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always get back to them,
Yeah.
whenever I need some advice.
Right.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ashwin sir and Pratima ma'am. I know we've not seen you guys in so long, but hopefully soon.
I mean, we only hear their voices and
Yes, I mean of course you're in class, but physically
we are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Physically, hopefully we need to see you soon, sir and ma'am, and everybody else as well. Yeah. Is there anything else you wanna?
But the juice is very good. I mean, that's something that I can say. So it's nice. Do you want some? No. You sure? Okay.
Yeah, I mean I pretty much close to wrapping now, so.
So do you have any last words that you have to say to us as such? I mean,
Yeah.
just the two of us, since we
There's the two of us. Yeah. Now that
Yeah,
we met after so long. So.
I think I mentioned everything.
But you can
Yeah.
say like we're cute or something. I don't know. You can say
I know.
that.
Girls, please. I know.
Oh, but I'm kind of engaged, so it's.
Oh shit. Okay, well I'm single, so yeah. I've not met the fiance, man.
I mean, it's just like it's a small start.
Right. Okay. Fair enough.
Humble beginning.
Humble
beginning.
exactly. Humble. What is in glass painting? Humble beginnings.
Please follow Vertism on Instagram.
Like, share, subscribe. Coming to the stores near you.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.